Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman. We're taking a look at export options today, and one of the most wanted features in XRY was the ability to export your full file system extractions. And this was done in process options, so this was added towards the end of last year. So if we go into the menu and select process options, you have the capability to export your file system as part of your extraction. And you can choose the folder path where you want that to take place. Now remember to do this for each of your actions and then hit save, and it will export the file system at the same time as doing your extraction. Another way of exporting the file system has been in XAMN, and a lot of you know that if you go to the file tree, so if we were to go to all artifacts and then change our view to file tree, we can right click and export the bin file that way. And we would have to select the right image, and then we can export our files. Now, another way that you may not be aware of is you can actually export your bin file from the Data Sources tab. And to do that, we go to Data Sources and we select the extraction. So all of these are cloud tokens, so they're not relevant. But if we right click here, which is our extraction file, you get the option to export persistent data. And the persistent data is the raw format, the undecoded data. Because obviously when XRY processes a file, it will decode data, which will then populate videos or pictures, for example, from database files. The persistent data is just the raw data. So if we were to select that option, you can see that it exports a .bin file. Hopefully this has been a good reminder for some of you and a good new way of exporting the full file system for those of you who are unaware of being able to do it this way. We hope to see you again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.